a museum.
Oh, it's a museum?
Yes.
What's that?
It's like I would compare it to like MoMA. In here, it's similar to that. Like more like nude art.
You work here?
No, I'm just visiting.
No, wow.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's far away,
Yes.
but it's my birthday, so
Oh,
I wanted.
birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Wow.
I wanted to come.
Yeah, that's nice. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Moon, a hole of light through the big top tent up high, here before and after me, shining down on me. Moon, tell me if I could send up my heart to you, so when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? 'Cause my love is mine, oh mine, my love, mine. Nothing in the world is mine for free but my love, mine, oh mine, oh mine. My baby here on earth showed me what my heart was worth. So when it comes to be my turn, could you shine it down here for her? 'Cause my love is mine, oh mine, my love, mine. Nothing in the world belongs to me but my love, mine, oh mine. Nothing in the world is mine for free but my love, mine, oh mine, oh mine.
Okay, that's a lot better. You guys can actually see me. 3 minutes away. I don't